Many people believe they don't have time for breakfast, don't like breakfast items, or believe that skipping breakfast will help them lose weight by avoiding extra calories in their diet. However, none of these justifications are convincing or accurate enough to justify skipping breakfast. Making time for breakfast offers numerous health benefits and can even assist in weight loss or maintenance. Here are some compelling reasons to begin or continue having breakfast every day. People who are trying to lose weight skip breakfast in the hopes that the calories they don't consume would lower their total intake. This strategy backfires since depriving the body of food and nutrients causes it to store fat and burn calories at a slower rate to conserve energy. When you skip breakfast, your body remains sluggish since it has gone all night without food, and you are depriving it of the nutrients it needs to function properly. Food really kickstarts the metabolism after a night of fasting, essentially pushing it into high gear so the body burns calories more effectively throughout the day. Breakfast boosts calorie burning while also waking you up because you have more energy to use. Furthermore, the type of breakfast meal you consume will influence how your body reacts. Donuts, cereal bars, white bread, sugary cereals, and bagels are all common morning meals these days. These foods are heavy in sugar and usually have a lot of calories, which causes your blood glucose levels to rise. You can supply your body with a continuous source of energy, and reduce cravings by eating a hearty breakfast with complex carbs that digest slowly, such as oatmeal or whole grain bread or bagels, which are high in fiber and low in sugar. A filling breakfast not only offers you enough energy to go through the morning, but it also gives your body the nutrition it needs to function properly. It's more difficult to receive the recommended daily supply of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients if you skip breakfast. When the body is in need of energy, most people turn to sugary, high-calorie, high-fat snacks for a quick cure. This not only makes it difficult for your body to function, but it also makes it difficult to lose weight. You may ingest a healthy balance of critical nutrients that will help the body function throughout the day, by having a healthy breakfast that incorporates complex carbohydrates, lean protein, low-fat dairy, and fiber. People who eat breakfast have a better diet than those who do not eat breakfast at all. A nutritious breakfast will not only help your body burn calories more efficiently and give you more energy, but it will also help your brain power. The body has used up most of the glucose and glycogen stores that are converted to energy after a long night's sleep, thus these must be restored by food consumption. If you skip breakfast, your body conserves energy by slowing down calorie expenditure. When your metabolism slows, the rest of your body's functions slow as well. You may feel weary, sleepy, or fatigued, and you may have headaches, mental fuzziness, or trouble to concentrate. Breakfast will replenish your energy stores and provide the glucose your brain requires to fire neurons and synapses and make clear conscious decisions. Not eating breakfast can cause long-term health problems, as well as exhaustion, mental fogginess, and headaches. Because most people obtain their fiber from breakfast, skipping this meal can be costly to the body. Skipping a high-fiber breakfast can result in greater levels of harmful cholesterol or LDL. Fiber binds to cholesterol and helps the body eliminate it instead of blocking the arteries. This lowers the chances of developing heart disease. Fiber also helps to lower excess estrogen in the body, which can raise the risk of breast cancer over time. Breakfast has the potential to be the healthiest meal of the day. As a result, having a high-fiber breakfast can help you lower your risk of disease and get your day started right.